Costa Rica.
Yeah, we went in the middle of February and the weather was absolutely beautiful.
We stayed at 4 different Airbnbs, and so we're going to show you some of each of them over the next couple of videos. The road that you saw was just the driveway to get to the house. That was not actually the road, it was just the driveway.
It was basically a farm that we stayed at, and it was like a guest house.
And it had an absolutely beautiful view of the volcano. It was a really cool place. The long driveway you saw, we got stuck in a ditch, like a 3-foot ditch. Places we found in La Fortuna was called El Salto.
Yeah, it was a cliff that had a rope swing going off of it.
It was a spot that locals like to hang out at, and our friend Keely actually found it on Instagram. Absolutely beautiful waterfall. To get to it, we had to walk down over 500 stairs, which then meant we had to walk back up 500 stairs. But we also got to go ziplining in the same day, which was pretty cool.
Ziplining was probably my favorite things that we did there. It was so awesome, the fact that like we were on the side of a mountain. It was so much fun.
Good morning.
Morning.
You ready to go see some waterfalls? I know, the trip up. I'm gonna have calves of steel after this. How you liking it?
Awesome.
Yeah.
They let you go first.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Will you do it again?
Yes, I'll do it again. For the last day in La Fortuna, we went to the hot springs. They were the free ones. It was like sitting in a bath that was basically a river.
We went in the morning, which was really, really nice because there was no people there. We drove past it at night the day before, and it was packed out with cars. So if you want a little privacy and you want to get some good pictures, definitely would recommend going in the morning. It was absolutely perfect.
Taking a big giant bath in a river. That's what I expected the other day when we went rope swing. Now we're off to our other Airbnb.
that was the first half of our trip. We're going to put out a video next week that shows the second half of our trip. So be sure to tune in.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.